Morning. Now we are discussing about 7th standard maths parallel lines. Last class we have already studied corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles. Angles in such pairing done according to similar position are called corresponding angles. Next we have to study alternate angles. What are alternate angles? Alternate angles are such pairing of angles in reverse position. That is first one. Here this is one pair of alternate angle. This one and other this. Similarly, second alternate angle is this one and this, and third one is this and this, and fourth one is this and this. From the figure we have to write down the alternate angles. Here AB and PQ are parallel. These are cut by another line XY. Here ACY and QRX are alternate angles. That is angle ACY and angle QRX. Angle QRX 60 degree. Angle BCY and angle PRX are alternate angles. Here the position is reverse position. That is angle BCY and angle PRX. Angle PRX is equal to 120 degree. Similarly, next pair of alternate angle, angle BCX. Angle BCX, angle PRY. Angle PRY is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, next pair, angle ACX. Angle ACX and angle QRY. Angle QRY is equal to 120 degree. In these angles, first one here and this another first one here, these two are in reverse position. Here second and this second. Here also these two are reverse position, that is the position opposite. The third and also the third. Here also they are in reverse position. Here also fourth. Thus you can write alternate angles in any other line cut by these parallel lines. Supplementary angles. Co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Here there are two pair of co-interior angles. Co-interior means inside the parallel line. Here inside the parallel line there is one pair of angle. That is, here this angle is 50 degree, another angle is 130 degree. That is, sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, these angles are called supplementary angles. Similarly, another pair of co-interior angle is, here this is 50 degree, another one is 130 degree. These two pairs are called co-interior angles. Here there is one pair of supplementary angle in the right of this slanted line and another pair of supplementary angle in the left of slanted line. These two pairs are inside the parallel line. Next, co-exterior angles. Here a parallel line is cut by another line. Here there are a pair of angles in the outside parallel line, that is left of this slanted line. Here this is 50 degree and another angle is 130 degree. Here also the sum is 180 degree. Therefore these co-exterior angles are also supplementary angles. Similarly, there is another pair in the right of the slanted line. It is also outside the parallel line. That is, one angle is 50 degree, another is 130 degree. Here also the sum is 180 degree. Therefore, this is also called the supplementary angle. Now we have to write the co-interior and co-exterior angles. Here AB and PQ are parallel lines. This is cut by another line XY. Here co-interior angles ACY and PRX. These two angles are co-interior angles. ACY angle ACY, comma angle PRX. ആംഗിൾ ACY എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 50 ഡിഗ്രിയാണ്. ആംഗിൾ PRX എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 130 ഡിഗ്രി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് കോ ഇൻറ്റീരിയർ ആംഗിൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇൻസൈഡ് പാരലൽ ലൈൻ അകത്ത് വരുന്നതാണ്. ഇവിടെ BCY ആംഗിൾ BCY is equal to 130 degree. Angle QRX is equal to 50 degree. ഇതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് പെയേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് കോ എക്സ്റ്റീരിയർ ആംഗിൾസ് ഉണ്ട്. ആദ്യം നമുക്കിതൊന്ന് എഴുതി നോക്കാം. ACX ആംഗിൾ ACX is equal to 130 degree. Angle PRY is equal to 50 degree. Similarly, another pair BCX is equal to 50 degree. BCX is equal to 50 degree. Angle QRY is equal to 130 degree. Now try to draw and color alternate angles in your textbook, page number 25. Thank you.